Alright, y'all. This is a secret special stage that has been revealed in Sonic CD. You have to unlock the sound test by going to time trials and getting all of them in under 4 minutes. That's how you unlock sound test. All the special stages, sorry. If you get that, sound test will be right there. Okay? Now, when you get the sound test, there's like a secret special stage. I don't know how they did it, but you have to go to 7 and put it 7 again. And there will be a secret special stage there. You can actually see when I press start. Welcome to the secret special stage. Notice that Dr. Robotnik is in the back. I mean, it's really hard because the balloons and stuff move very fast. And they're like way out there in the water. Oh crap. Wow, this balloon is just like outrunning me. Gosh, I suck right now. Oh, I got one. Oh no. Oh, I lost. But that'll be the secret special stages, and there's more, but I'll show you on like another video of what else they got. There's more on the sound test that you can actually unlock secret things that Sega has put on there. But tune in next time.